One lesser known feature of Dream by WOMBO app is that you can use camera here. So not just upload photos from a camera roll, but you can give access to a camera and then take photos in real time and instantly generate some AI image. It can be pretty fun. So tap select image and here you have camera. So that's that's basically it. So camera, you can adjust lighting, flash, you can change the camera direction, you can so something like that. So you can try it with the selfies. It doesn't really work that well with selfies, so let's just try. I will take a picture of the chair, and then okay, here is the chair. I can crop the photo, but of course if you're traveling you can take a photo of landscape, skyline, all of that. But usually with people this app doesn't work that well. So if you take in a selfie of picture of your friends, like it won't be able to generate something really nice. Sometimes it will be quite ugly because this is AI. So then you can just use input image. I can enter something like chair. I can select no style and then I just tap create. Let's wait for it. Hopefully there are no glitches. And then, yeah, something like this. As you can see, algorithm is literally building this app, this photo here. Yep, so now you have like a chair image. So something like that, and then you can generate it again, and I think it will regenerate based on that image. Then you can publish, and so that's how you use the camera. Like the camera option is a bit hidden, like because there is no specific button. So you tap select image and then you can only find camera. So some people can't find it, but that's where it is. So enjoy.